Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Novio, miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo. Ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo. Miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba ao vloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao miglena bosanuba ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba ao vloe. Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Novio miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo.
Ago nami. Miagbona kpi. Yo miawezo ve Siana Media. Srɔ Eʋegbe. Miawezo, okay. Yo da nami mereku elegbo.
Oh, medogbe na me kata miawezo. Ejojina me be mi lafia kple mi egba. Gamesulo, gamesu.
Nyatape
kata mi abana mia. Mi avamia Srɔ Eʋegbe, gamesu. Ganea opo. Doc, medekuku. Siana Hagwanata. Oh, excuse us. Me and Anesem, okay, that's because somebody else is trying to join us. We're Ganea Opo, Siana Hagwana, Siana Convention Gwanata, Menyabe, Nane Nyadele Asho, Mejimbena feature for the Siana Convention coming up. And then we'll go on, Gamesu.
Yo, akpe danami. Ewele doji, miawele doji. Siana convention agbona abala na glenyu ta fifia miebe mia ako na ne coffee ami alabe ne mi ko coffee ami voa boblo dodo na Siana mi on to mi sege ne mi si voa bia deli tama de kuku ne enukpola okata planya sala okata mere kumido to Nyagbewo ne ha alebe miegbo na nya de blogger cho Nyagbewo nu ta akpe miawe le doji miawe kenku dete ye miawe ke to ha de ete ta yo merku mikpo Siana convention nuya da bien
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Eʋe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Eʋe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eʋe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siana is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Eʋe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siana 2026. Join us to make history. Siana 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siana2026.org for more information. See you there.
2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siana 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Ni akode da na mi kwachima ne wa ade meyake bona mfiage egba nami tamareku danami ele bo.
Okay. Nami. Okay, I see. Akwe. Well, Koshida Havaya near we had Nufiala Gade Lafia, Dr. Dogbe of the University of Education, Winneba. Yemi Blana mebe group Leshi. Agree, they will partner with us and really help us take us to the next level. So I'm here teaching department. We have a better hope. No, I'm saying the name wrongly. A better hope. Mle Womo Komi. Decan. So really, a better hope, Decan. Yehanye Nufialaga University. And he is of the Department of Early Education, the school, Koko, Alo University of Education, Mele Winneba. Mr. Hope is a lecturer and early career researcher at the department. And he has a BA in Early Education and an MPhil in Ghanaian language studies, and particularly Ewe from the University of Education. He is currently a PhD student at linguistics in the linguistics department of the University of Ghana. His areas of interest include the grammar and syntax of Ewe, and translation of Ewe and English. He also has been interested in the Togo mountain languages, and I think that's called GMT, and the language cluster in general. The whole Eʋe language cluster in general is his interest. Mr. Hope is, now I'm into the French. Mr. Hope is Maitre of Conferences at the university in his department. And, we have him here today as the follow-up to Dr. Doi. And like Dr. Eʋegbe said last week, learning the intricacies of the language, how it came about, how old it is, and how very important it is actually in the connections towards other languages, like German, for instance, is very much, actually, is it the Germans or the Dutch? The ones who really, put our voice as the Ewe voice on paper. So these kind of things are things that is good for us to learn. Now we've moved from where we were teaching to the higher education. So it's really good to understand some of the history of who we are, because language is what makes people. And Dr. Decom is going to continue with us today. And Efo, was he able to join us back, please? Meneku. Doc, Meneku.
Yo, Maraku.
Ebajia. Etemba. The technology, Africa, it's past 9 o'clock over there now in Ghana. And sometimes we've had him today a couple of times, but the what do you call it? The thing keeps dropping sometimes. So let's see if he's back. He was here just 2 seconds ago. I couldn't hang on.
Yo, ke meet the Tamia pen feel line ta elle fonji matin gegande moji o mi onto mi nye ngale internet la fele ta ke merekuma de fonji alle bena opon ne miase ta inya yo ta no fialaga deko mereku yo ke yema akpe gozo. Yo, Prof, Maraku phone. Okay.
Customer.
Maraku obe niya efudem vien telephone system le Ghana efudem vien ta egbona ebe egbona yo ta antina mi Maraku ke yiji na phone vien na mi.
Oh, okay, yo. Egbona.
Yo, okay, Maraku mi enko sama obe Professor Decon ale kajita Maraku yo Maraku miele red miele kakla
yo apa ma dapat le ma apa asia nyala ngure nanu le bang ke nya apura marang nyirang koni ba min nam ya Srɔ Eʋegbe ka aplo nya gere Eʋegbe fa mvavi yo ka nya pole mchiama agbogbo glore sia ara fa goma rupenya efa Eʋe ri yu alu ngonglo jesio yata al Eʋe pa Srɔ ma mi ele kure ngonglo jeshiu ka tu Eʋegbero ronchi. Ta Baru jimu yo kala yashi ya. Nya da ta bakshiu. Baru jimu balianu shamu taru ni pashin tu bonari. Okay, abo mi wona mo ne so lo bango. Enyawo alo Nyagbewo mi za ngonglo jeshiu akowoni. Kala Eʋegbe ma ngonglo jeshi blackton. Ni la mi yashi. Ngonglo jeshi yawo uklo ko sui toweli. Kan to plus sui to wele nya shita ne ni lam pura nya pa tata lamwa. Nya aku be ngonglo jeshi yawo nya ma le nya pa tata lama. Ngonglo jeshi ma blackton. Ta ma jawab ba ma ayu ngonglo jeshi yawo. Alba mi apura ba ala kanyo yo ha. Na amara jiba ya aklan alu ya ngwa ngonglo jeshi yawo le kanya yo we. Alu le kanyo pa ngonglo. Tana mi la nkura ngo mi apo ma inya gbanto la fi ma.
Medeko prof.
Ngonglo jeshi ganto pa suito la fi ma. Ke ngonglo jeshi pero nya bu. Yes,
Doc.
Yes, talk like ganto.
Alaji medeko neyi blah viade na near where those of us who can catch it fast. That's it.
Ngonglo jeshi yao.
Did we lose him?
Ngonglo jeshi mai kanya eru. Ka aba jona haba ya ro. Any about boy. Nyako bird, which is a kind of leaf, or we say a kind of grass, bird, a bird. Which is to say to deceive someone, and abo, which is the hand or the arm. Okay, ta burma ejele enyama le afima. Ta no nyecho burma nyecho ablore beri perenwa ka nyewo enyare e yaro yo liha no nyecho bor ablore bela echo hagberi di bubu peren echo ablore beri peren kola nyewo enya bubu ta nyo kata la fia go je onye nwonlo jeshi yo kamie fufu eko ewo enya ye yare. Kami red go le de goma nyako nyao abe da de alo de da, which is snake, the which is palm nut, do, which is town, and adon, which is squirrel. Ta nyako ba enyama da imagine enyama ukatama. Namye ira de bo nyako le nyao ma abe adu tooth da, which is hair, ade tongue, do, to eat something.
Yeah.
Alo do nana. That there ejele enyama woman fiovali. Let me get a boy. You put now above the fingernails, a fur, or depth. Girl, I feel my wajiha. Let me pour nyabu wara. You can yak sand, which is also yeah. Jeshima ejele. Enya bubu oga nonia gaka pe ya wa. Kodon kumo mako awe. Kenya po afigo jikenya po ngono jeshima ole. Kasi shanya ile ebo ngono jeshi le ema kunya abe le no banana le clean. No, but it can someone's aunt or someone's auntie among the Anglo people. Which is the smaller of or the second of twins, both who are both boys. If a second enyana eche aluche ta enyama nyupo enyama ham. Let me gazoran gogba miapo fu. Le fu ma miapo fu, which could be feather, or which could also be pregnancy. Plus 4. About 4 to wake up and etc. Plus 5, which is achieved. Fu. Onye nyawo yo kamya pola for woman. My tora sama ngongo jesia girl. Aika ihanya ngongo jesia du motora ka. Nini zore haji anyapo enyawo la girl but girl. Which should be something like beard. Ga, which is money, plus a glove, which is jaw. Yeah, near up on the Shima Hamlet. Enya wamanya ukatanya hel yu kanya enya babanya wamanya ukatanya hel aka ale kumya po enya yu kama enya ujele nami nya fa enya won kla nya do ma nya le ke nya cho azawe mchia ya tani wom na maru azom ya yire gbo le ma nyepo which is the sun la to hide. Play which is white. Kama onya enya yoka je le ngonglo je shimaguma. Aflati mia nunkula re ngonglo je shilang pla aleka enya o zaza ayime. Ta ya do ya mia kuba blora bari pla mia ngonglo je sha a nya blora bari yo ozona pla yoko iko na enyare ene bubu boma ha mama de shi bubu daba aduna duma na ukwa ka o enya bubu are tokiare okay ka nya ire mama de shi hebo le hema nya poha azuha nyapo polo which is a tribe no nyapo lafma no then we can see here which is poverty here i azu here Namye azorango ba mye yire bo le goma mya po enya aba ho house 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 ha broom broom which is umbrella. He, which is umbrella. Alon yalan kura enya kaume la jele. Ongo jeshi enya kaumu jele. Yapele a te I or three ati a to I ati a to I ati stick or three. C which is to run away. Chi adiba chi which is water.
Yo prof nu fialaga akpe yo awela doji obemie enwo strom lagbo akpe kaka fifia miejiba mia ayi de vien alo mia take break via de alebe miegbo na pie ta afinemia agayiji ta akpe yo miape nukola okple nyasela miegbo na pie alebe mietrotroga agbo fiak pie abale English yevo glona obe we shall be right back. Yeah, hello, mayo kesa francia over nous reviendons to the suit. Over français moi comment c'est moi ta yo mieux bon accueilli après. Tamareku mi agbona siana mi agbona mareku mi do to enyagbao yo kele hame. Ala be ni mi egbo na enfogachon ta mereku midoto yo akpe nami mietro gbo va alabe miawe le doji alabe abala mie poena miese ha miakata miese ha ike divai fia miekpo ha ye miese nyagbao heyo kata cho Siena Convention yagbona le Colorado alabe enyagbao mionto miekpo ale enyagbao le ta fifia na miese nyagbao miajibe na miafo chung alabe ta danami mareku enyagbao baleke le hama haya miepofia
Oni anefiam fifia akwa maga repeat now. Many fifia like when how do you say it? Efiam nama. Merenku mengabe.
Yo akpe
But
enyagbao obe nka obe kanlao mi vuagbo na banto
okay. Because so over, like even in the Bible, where the forts, all those when they're going to war. I forgot the particular one I want to mention. Okay, the forts have been built around the towns, and here are these strong, soldiers or warriors, and the people who are coming to invade are saying, "Open the gates and let us in. Open the gates." So the people can come in or go in or something like that. So it just tells you how far the Ewe language or how deeply it goes, if you ask me, because they're talking about something that's strong, something that's strong. So which means we are warriors, and yet, we are very gentle people. So I see how that particular whole sentence, kind of goes with what we are and what we're doing right now. So it's interesting, but I think I got it, Doc. I got it. Ask me a third time.
Akpe ta efokone ple kanlao kata la kuma bereku mi avuagbo alo miegbona. Akpe yo prof nufialaga bereku mietrogbo.
Mereku Magbona Prof, Medeku now. Amade, like me, we want you to go a little slower so I can. SMA. Ben nay slower biada nama.
Yo ka nya yiki pata.
Kakamoa.
Marku nyen kwa samre.
Merku mi anko sam.
Aha. Ka afi go jimie toro enya ye tore kaji. Afi ma go jimie ba toro enya ma. Ta le mongo de ke goma nyapo enya yo ka le. Bubuo alo konane to carry something. Ka ikanya sand. Cloth ikanya to wash. Nyapo le ngongo jeshima bo ikanya ke lagbo. Nami jola ke bo nya ire alo ikanya nye yomre adam nanye yu nye po bariti maba nye po ngongo jeshaba ipa nyapa adra na regia ko be to nyapa enyalang abe to na nyapa nyang le jiafura enya ngongo jeshima ka le ngongo jeshima goma nyapo enyaw abelo crocodile lo nyapo nyaw abelo to love long to love plus claw nyaga po claw kala ma k l o to wash ta mi po la ala do mana k pla o la afima mi ko tu enya ye yare ro ta nye ire ngongro je shi mbo ma nye na nye woga nye pon na nya fa wiya o ma va o ba tana kpena ko ya viare donatuna ma le awo ma ta na nye zam la mfo ma nya fa le mu ayoyo ma nya fa nwo ma va mu ya ji ko to plani ba to o ba kana oni oji ya viare donatuna ma afimi awo na ngongro je ji ma fo ma bi la e fa gbadi di o ma kamya ko nya yo kala ma
yo no fialaga barako ya no fialaga marako obe marako amado be na ta agboji divia ela be fifi akoyo stromta yo de kuku gada no ta marako na ta agboji divia alabe kene amona atase nyua ta akpe yo
Okay, good.
Ta ya fa the upper and the lower lips. The upper and the lower lips come together. And there is a thin opening allowing the air to go through. I can never yadu na to ta lengo ma nya kunya yo kala mago jina ple o otogo azu mo mo which is road road ple otogo azu which is mosquito mosquito.
The same. Ada.
Let me go oil. Amanya la awa. Le ba dre ya bo. Ya po nya yo kalaman. Adra ema nyama to aravato enya adwo poklenya tamatu adwo tamaple enya abo tututu dunia smagoji ye nyapa adrava eto ta le yawo ma nyapo enya abe ple azunka n which is coconuts coconuts atwonya na if ne maka atwonya if na me ko n ple afofo azu something I don't know mouth nyapa mouth ne ko n alo o afofo azu no which is the breast alone no to drink no yira ngo le ngo ma le awo ma yeponi ba aya aika dukucho domanania aya labato na tesobo buere le nya fe chakula sma aya labato na o aya mana to mabuji ko dona kle mi viare musa viare dona kle musa viare ta le ayo anwo ma nya po nya abango ngo which is worm allo aga atwonya flatulence no I got one flatulence. Or
what?
Yeah. Break.
Break, yeah.
To break.
Yeah.
To break. Dislocation. To moan. Then you put about more. To write or more to squeeze. Something. Azu. No. Hello. No. Oh. Abang terima. Ini orang yang punya ayona tu. Waduh, ini ayona. I've got the mouth or the lips are making this sound. That oh. The mouth are rounded. The lips are rounded. The lips are rounded. That nyapo nyao abang azunka. Mo. Which is fake. Azu to, which could be mountain or the ear or father-in-law. Azu do, which is a pit. Do. Atanya baba do, to go out. Do or do, to go out. Or like body ma ya do fa atami na oga ablore body do ta na mi po e fa won je sia o mi aponya ayo kam pa o jele aba nyaba sisi te o I tosisi river. Tosisi river. Ko fish. Or to take something. To pick something. Ko. A fu. O a fo. A fu. O a fo. That is the feet. Anya bedidia automator ka po. Anya yo kemia manya pula po. Azunka papa. Someone's father or papa, which is a fan, the locally manufactured fan, papa. Papi hamatan. Pamplo. La rma nyapo nyao aba sro o azunka sro to polish or to look at someone with the side of your eye in a very cynical way. Srong. Tro.
I didn't know that. Tro. To return. To go back. Tro. Tra. Tra. To miss your road or to miss your way. Tra. TUVWX. We have a lot.
Let's go, ma. Nyako nyao abe se. That could be God. Allo, sir, to hear. So, which is so enya mi alareka horse. You voy a horse. So, horse. So, horse. Asi, a, si, which is the hand, or it could also be the fingers. One finger, asi. T. Let's go, ma. Anya yoka mi wala ma owenya. E azunka te yam. A azuta head. A I tashi. A I tashi. That is someone's aunt or your auntie. Tashi. Mosquito. Do a town. Do town. Avu, a dog. V. La vuoma. Yopo anya yo kama wojele. Ajala nyauma abe vu. I. V. A child. V. Someone's child. V. I. V. V. E. V. Monitor lizard or the neck. Avo. Avo. Cloth. Avo. La vue wa ma mi po anya yo maka wo jele. E azunka v pit or a hole or a pit door. Which is a vehicle. It could be a car or a canoe. A vehicle or a canoe. You gotta we. Le go ma mi po anyao abe azu powder, something powder. It could be corn flour, something that is a powdery kind of substance. Azu wu to kill or wu to supersede. Wu to supersede. Wulo we wulo to hide. It's another word for hide. Wulo to hide. Yeah. La year go ma mi ponya ab year azu ya wind or air. Yeah. Ye cutlass. Ye cutlass. Or even a machete. Cutlass or machete. Ye spider. Ye spider. Yo. Lies. That insect, the insect that lives in the human hair. That kind of insect that lives in our hair that can suck your blood. Lies. Lice, lies. Or to call. It could also be that. Nyagara zbo. La zgoma nyepunyao abaza. Which is night. 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 Pot. Pot. A bigger pot, the bigger one. It could also be zo, to walk. So, yo. I believe one just shower. Only nya reka to. I only onya one just yoka populi. Hafi abatu enyauru. Alova konglu nyawe edari. Ta mata just yoba bubu. Ta one just ya for play how yoka uraka. Onya agbanto ya okamiopo. Onya one just yoka nya deke to. Kafifia nigara of tobo. Alo a tontobo. Ta yopo. Plapu. No matter what azuna. Adina ku. Yata no po anya abe po to see. Or a fence po. Or me never cook oh. Me never cook. Or alaba ayo kua pl or in a yo po. Namana yuma po. Ta ke plapua. Oi fufu ngong jashiraka ikanya yoba po.
Yo
Nyaponya bubu ha. Ikanya plong. 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 Which is stable. Stable.
Yo.
I'm just order. Yeah, mamle kala. Ma what you for inya?
For dark.
Plong.
Yeah, many samota. For dark. And we are melon.
Yeah. Marco, EG, for
Plong. The staple food of the Evis.
Akpe. Nufialaga, Decon. Miedakpe now, the Eta Tota, Enyon Tobe, Nanomiadom, Eye Minyabe Zado, Le Ghana, Gake, Najagba, Ali Network, Hamenyo, Gake, Natan, Owmiana Mia, Miedakpe now Kakaka, Mau Neirao, Nado, Etafano, Akpe. Ta abe ale oglone na obe vivima vonale aganlago me o ta ewobe egbato ha kweko sede afia ta mie monkokpo ya komko akpedamne amashiame ike dore mianchi egba ye mieda kpena the Department of Eʋe Education, University of Education Winneba, Ghana ha Alabama afo Decon alonu fialaga Decon afuma ochoema ta mieda kpena University of Education Winneba be oten ena be nufialaga Decon do de mianchi egba ta akpe nami kata plamiapa no fiala o kata ta bala mienya na menidagbe eshiai Ghana US time, Eastern time, Ejefe Eastern time le America yenye ngwi ma ikenye 9 p.m. alo gashike Ghana time ta time yemi ona not wonaya yo ta dynamic reku galagbo akpamia
Oh, them jijimbe mi akpa. Mi ayiji.
miji yatofe
Nuhi, I had a card, and then na mehi enya to me. I mehi at if I say this in ever, then let it be, okay? If I can't say it, then don't give me what I want. Ne amade he another 5-6 minutes. We have a video we want to show you and everybody on here. So Medekuku for Doc Medeku na show video ma ata show yala be ma bia afia
abe ale mi pe na obeza dona nka no fialaga platomota ke Medeku ma ado for now da na mi be ne kosida agbona memidagba na mi afia mi ta nukola kaya glome da na mi la mi onto mi poge mayo ke de te feya o strong la fia na nuyo o strong vaye o ko fefe nesiana mi ape convention ademie wo 2022 you know my Europe agbomo no my Europe agbomo mi afia no ge tomorrow planka eji Bluff Volve, ta ke akpenami, ta danami, mereku, alagbo.
Akwe kakadok. Oh, no, Shalagao, akwe kake, I call me tops of the tops. It's a Meda now. Yeah, Baha, Ponuklimi who kaka different times. It's still a network, even though we found a way for you to be able to, want to find a way for you to be able to teach us, to talk to us without, dropping off anymore. And it's amazing. The group voice mama jeshi voice malo for Sarah say we ma
Ma no feel guy man phone.
Okay.
If you no feel guy man phone.
Next week will be great.
Head of department, hello, no like Kenya, Dr. Emmanuel Dogbe, Halamiadoma, ta Yema Blom, Ye Glora Fiabe, network Amanyo, ta Olaji, ta Akwenami, Kaka.
Akwenami. Okay, for Doc. Okay, Anami, one commercial or one music before we go. I mean, we're not leaving after doing all this work.
Commercial,
Sienna, that's all we are about, Everland.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Eʋe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Eʋe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eʋe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siana is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Eʋe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siana 2026. Join us to make history. Siana 2026. Honor the past, empower the future. Visit www.siana2026.org for more information. See you there.
2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siena 2026 DMV will welcome you. Thank you.
Akpe na mi kaka Doc akpe. Dodo nenyo na mi le Ghana. Mia Esesaviade is a meadow hareko. Who said I can speak there? See,
I know
the difference, right? Okay, akpena mikata through the
yo akpe miaga dogo. Vale. Ana mi glonena miaga dogo.
Miaga dogo. My favorite phrase. Bye bye.
Mau nano yi plama chiama. Miaga dogo. Mamira ya bonama. Yake le afida ogba African Jazz Panorama enonaji alabe DJ Lawrence Mawenyega ele eji tamareku miado dengu abala miedo de mianu ane alabe le mamlida agba Efo Steve ble Mama Seduji o le Siana Central Talk Show. Di ta ihado vivina ntomere kumidogo. Okata o vivina alebe mie ele collaboration. Alo mie le kado do adem ple radio station adele Ghana. Oyona be Top Radio. Alebe show ade oyona be Dunenyo Bobobo. Yike da emefa Authentic Mama. Ewona meme da ogba mie woge le Siana Radio aji or TV aji lega the Cavado Gava or 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Alabeke miawa Srɔ Eʋegbe mi gato trogagbo. Ghana.
Menye Ghana. Play follow Ghana.
Ghana. Yo.
Akpenami.
All of you. Akpen.
Manu Goraman, Cheti Manu Goraman, Alicia, Obeno Kaemewa, Chikunya Kaone, Afinye Lolo, Doti Kurenune, Naka Emeglo, Chikunya Kaone, Lolo Nezando, Mafakona Olo, Obe Lolo Nezando, Mafakona Olo, Lolo Nezando, Mafakona Olo. Afine lolo, do diku de lunye, nyaka emeglo, diku nyaka onye, lolo descendo, ma pas kona olo. J'ai fouillé, j'ai cherché, j'ai pas trouvé. Vous direz à nous que les diamants c'est mes agents, m'habiti domo, descendo, ma pas kona olo. Agent, m'habiti domo, descendo, ma pas kona olo. Maman, pentelelele, pentelelele, maman, pentelelele, mama, Obenu Kaemewa, Tikunya Kaone, Afinye Lolo, Doti Kurenune, Naka Emeglo, Tikunya Kaone, Lolo Nezando, Mafakona Olo. Sonde de Ade, Muni Tukadanya Ode, Ason Ode, Muni Tukadanya Ode, Sonde de Ade, Muni Tukadanya Ode, Ason Ode, Muni Tukadanya Ode, Pano Kentere, Obenu Kaemewa, Tikunya Kaone, Afinye Lolo, Doti Kurenune, Naka Emeglo, Tikunya Kaone, Lolo Nezando, Mafakona Olo.